Properly acclimating your new wood flooring reduces the likelihood of problems both during and after installation. To ready your room, 5 days before your wood flooring arrives, set the temperature between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit and use a relative humidity RH meter to ensure the level is between 30 to 50%. This will ensure quick and proper acclimation of your flooring. Leaving interior doors open, stack the boxes of flooring in a crisscross pattern for maximum exposure to air, away from walls, AC vents, and intakes. Be sure and mix boxes from multiple pallets into each room where you are stacking the flooring. This will help to ensure a good color blend once the installation begins. Maintaining the proper moisture level in your home is an important step to protecting your wood floors and preventing mold and mildew growth. Make sure there is no moisture coming through your subfloor into the crawl space, basement, or through air conditioning ductwork. For testing wood subflooring, Floor Decor recommends using a pin test moisture meter, which can detect moisture below the surface of the subfloor. Be sure to use your moisture meter in several spots throughout the room. Although a moisture content of less than 13% is ideal, you should consult the flooring's manufacturer's instructions for recommended levels. With a concrete slab subfloor, there are 2 accurate ways to measure moisture content: calcium chloride testing and in situ probe testing. If an issue is detected, you must first identify the source of the excess moisture. Often, it can be lowered by adjusting the air conditioning temperature or through the use of a dehumidifier. To protect your wood floors from prolonged exposure to moisture, remedy any crawl space and basement issues you may have, such as drainage, water collection, or pass-through in exterior walls. You can also install an underlayment or PE film, use moisture-suppressing adhesives, or moisture abatement membranes. By maintaining the proper moisture levels, you can avoid costly future repairs and long-term health risks. For a variety of floor installation and maintenance materials, visit your local Floor Decor and at flooranddecor.com.